In this video, I'll show you how to add negative exact match keywords on Google Ads. This step is essential for optimizing your campaigns and reducing irrelevant clicks. I can show you the entire process directly within a live Google Ads account, but I'll guide you step by step, so let's get started. So first, make sure you are on the ads.google.com and log in with your credentials, and then navigate to the settings section and you will see here the account settings. Click on that and you will notice here the negative keywords. Select on that and then click the plus button to add a negative exact match keywords on Google Ads, and you will be prompted to input a negative keywords in here, anything negative for you. For example, I'm going to input a chicken nuggets. So once you're done creating a keywords, you can just click the save button and that's it. You've successfully add a negative exact match keywords on Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.